Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use, for purposes such as criticism, comment.
Most definitely, me peoples. I'm back with another exclusive video reaction. This particular video reaction right here is to that boy YSL Woody speaks to the public, you feel me, I'm saying, after being in his horrified accident. You dig what I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying? He's recovering and whatnot, and he got some words for you guys, you feel me, I'm saying? Sort of a prayer or whatnot. But look, I'm about to be going crazy now with all the content. So whoever watching, man, stay tuned in, man. It's time for me to really up my game. You dig what I'm talking about? But meanwhile, y'all already know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Meanwhile, me peoples, let's jump right off into the video.
They do the work of the Lord. No matter what goes on, pray, ask for forgiveness. God will come through and protect you at all costs, even in the time of pain. I just want to thank everybody that prayed for me and that been supportive. God bless y'all. Man, I'm about a whole grocery bag, man. What the world? This is the only thing everything else, man.
I want everybody to keep in mind, who's to say the clip that I'm going to show twice, you know what I'm saying, actually was just an accident. This could have been somebody that was mad, didn't like the jacket he got on him, whatever the case might be. But the dude is cool, he's recovering, and that's what matters.
It more lit. It's so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about what you talking about. Can't move inside, this nigga, I don't talk a lot. I don't. Yeah, man. Y'all see I'm right here with my nephew now. Where we going?
Church.
Where we going?
Church.
I don't think they heard y'all.
Church.
But we do this every Sunday. We there. Wow.
I was rich then, but you ain't even know it like Rocco. We don't keep score, we just keep on scoring.